you thought Manal restaurant's story was over, think again. In simple words, Manal has bought time, but the final decision is still pending. Islamabad's famous Manal restaurant is back in spotlight after a major court ruling changed the direction of the case. So, what happened? The Federal Constitutional Court has set aside the earlier Supreme Court order that had directed Manal restaurants demolished. The court did not decide the ownership dispute or Manal's long term future. Ownership related matters will now be heard by the relevant trial courts, which have been told to decide the cases independently and quickly. Licensing, administration, and regulation issue will be handled by the relevant authorities. For now, the demolition order is no longer in effect, but the legal battle is still ongoing. A few months ago, the Supreme Court has ordered Manal's demolition in Pir Suhawa, saying commercial activity in the Margla Hills National Park should end. Many believed that was the final word, but now the Federal Constitutional Court has set that decision aside. Does that mean Manal is fully safe? Not quite. Here's the big picture. The demolition order is no longer in effect for now, but the court did not settle the ownership dispute or Manal's long-term future. Those questions will now be decided by the relevant trial courts, which have been told to hear the cases independently and quickly as possible. During the hearing, Justice Hassan Azhar Rizvi said some important legal aspects were not considered in earlier judgment and made it clear that the court would decide the matter strictly according to the law. So where does this leave Manal? For now, the demolition order is off the table, but the legal battle is still not over.
73 children tested positive for HIV in just 1 month at treatment center in Larkana. So why are so many children still getting infected years after Pakistan's biggest HIV outbreak? Here is what health officials are saying. According to Larkana Anti-Retroviral Treatment Center, 73 children under the age of 15 tested positive for HIV in June alone. The center continues to receive new patients from Larkana and nearby districts. The Sin AIDS Control Program says Pakistan is still dealing with the long-term impact of 2019 HIV outbreak in Redditor, where hundreds of children were infected largely due to unsafe medical practices such as the reuse of contaminated syringes and poor infected control measures. According to UNAIDS, HIV is not spread through casual contact. It can be transmitted through infected blood, unsafe injection, uncentralized medical equipment, or from mother to children during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Health experts say early testing, timely treatment, safe healthcare practices, and public awareness are critical to preventing new infections and helping children living with HIV lead healthy lives. For families in Larkana, the numbers are a reminder that the fight against HIV is not over, and protecting children requires stronger healthcare system, safer medical practices, and continued vigilance. This is Pakistan Connect. Follow for more.